For those who are drawn to spiritual exploration and creativity, Sugilite can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. By opening up your inner self to the creative energies of Sugilite, you can gain insight into your own thoughts and feelings. This will allow you to better understand yourself and what makes you unique, making it easier for you to make decisions and take action in your life. Additionally, Sugilite can provide a bit of guidance for those looking to deepen their spiritual connection with the universe. It is a result that Sugilite is a great companion for anyone on the path of self-discovery or growth. It is also an amazing stone that can give you emotional support and spiritual guidance through difficult times in life. Furthermore, it assists in connecting with divine love and understanding the power of universal love. Whether you use it to dig deep within yourself or just to provide a bit of comfort and guidance, Sugilite is a valuable companion in your journey through life. Sugilite has long been used in meditation and spiritual healing. It helps bring feelings of inner peace, calmness, and serenity. Sugilite can help open up higher chakras, allowing us to connect and communicate with divine energy all around us. It encourages optimism, acceptance, generosity, and gratitude for all that is given. And through this connection, we can better understand our purpose in life and tap into a deeper understanding of ourselves and others. Wearing Sugilite jewelry can add a protective shield of energy around you that helps strengthen your aura, making you less susceptible to negative energies and influences. This is the perfect pendant to wear for empaths. It is also an amazing crystal that can bring feelings of inner peace, calmness, and serenity while providing protection against negative energies. If you're going to wear it as a bracelet, we recommend wearing it on your receiving non-dominant hand. When worn consistently, this bracelet can help you tap into your creativity and access your inner wisdom. Carry a Sugilite tumbled stone with you throughout the day when dealing with issues related to the heart, such as fear, sadness, grief, or hurt. It can help you open your heart up to love, allowing you to let go of any negative energy that is keeping you from experiencing true joy and happiness. Additionally, Sugilite also helps promote clarity in your thoughts and emotions, making it easier to stay focused. Placing Sugilite in your personal space can help you create a serene, tranquil atmosphere and is believed to be one of the highest vibrational stones, encouraging unconditional love and positive vibrations in your life. To cleanse, it is safe to briefly rinse your Sugilite piece under water. You can also use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or placing it under the full moon.